Okay, we're on Retallick Street today. The house has a collapsed sewer line. This house doesn't have a basement, it's got a small crawl space. So we're going to cut the main stack basically at the back of the house, and we gotta pull it all the way through to the city connection. So it could be an interesting day. But we'll see what happens here. Okay, so we're under the house in the crawl space now. You can see the main stack where it goes into the ground. We're going to disconnect it there. The water line is beside it. You can see it there. It's a lead water line. Then we're going to pull a series of plugs through and put the new and then pull a new high density polyethylene pipe in. So we'll disconnect it from the old cast. We'll replace that old cast with new ABS. We'll disconnect the toilet there, and yeah, when we replace it, we'll go with new ABS all the way and get rid of all that old cast iron. Okay, we've removed that section of 3-inch sewer line now. You can see the stub of the old cast iron pipe sticking up. So the next step will be to pull our plugs through and then pull in the new high density polyethylene pipe.